What's up guys, Dave here on the 2012 Honda GoldWing. I'm going to show you real quick how to use the electric reverse. Very handy to have if you're on an awkward hill or a tight situation, or if the bike is fully loaded and heavy, or if you just need a little bit of help. It's got electric reverse, which is totally awesome, and we'll show you how to do it. Now you see the button on the handlebar right there. Right there. So while the bike is, let's see if I can do it while sitting on it here. Now something cool about the RVS system is not only can it help you back the bike up, but it also can hold the bike still if you're on an incline or you just want to hold the bike still. You just push the button in. It'll hold the bike still for you. Pretty awesome. But to actually use the reverse, the bike needs to be running. Alright, so with the bike in neutral, push the RVS button. You can hold your rear brake on as well if you need to, but just push the start button right here. Totally awesome. I think that's pretty slick. Totally awesome feature that the GoldWing has had for many years, and it's very helpful. Anyway, check out other videos. We got more cool stuff about this bike and plenty of other bikes on our channel, so check it out. Biker Dave signing off in Marietta, Georgia. We'll see you.